So, given yung ating piecewise function na nandito na g of x, so what is the value of our g of x if the value of our x is equal to 9? So, the question is, saang equation yung gagamitin natin? Yung una, yung pangalawa, or yung pangatlo? So, in this case, ang gagamitin natin na equation is yung pangatlong equation. For what reason? Kasi, if our x is equal to 9, so pasok siya sa condition natin na nandito. Na ang sabi, if x is greater than or equal to 6. Since alam natin na ang 9 is greater than or equal to 6, so therefore, gagamitin natin itong pangatlong equation, which is yung negative 3x plus 4. Then, isa-substitute natin yung value ng ating x. So, we have here negative 3 times 9, then plus 4. So, therefore, we know that this is equal siya sa negative 27. Then, of course, plus 4. So, this is equal to 23 or negative 23. So, therefore, this is now the value of our g of x, which is negative 23 if our x is equal to 9. So, meron tayong input or domain na 9 at meron tayong output na 23. So, what if naman if our x is equal siya sa negative 3? So, saang equation yung gagamitin natin? Una ba, pangalawa, or yung pangatlo? So, in this case, ang gagamitin natin na equation is yung pangatlong equation. Yung negative 9x plus 2. For what reason? Kasi pasok siya sa condition natin na ito. Na kung saan, ang sabi niya, if x daw is greater than negative 6 but less than or equal to positive 6. So, alam natin na si 3 is greater than negative 6. At si 3 naman is less than siya sa positive 6. Kaya gagamitin natin itong pangatlong equation na negative 9x plus 2. So, substitute mo lang yung value ng iyong x, so which is negative 9, then negative 3, then this is plus 2. So, negative 9 times negative 3 is positive 27. Then, plus 2. So, therefore, this is equal to 29. So, meron kang input. Kung ang input mo or ang iyong domain is negative 3, ang iyong output is positive 29. So, yun lamang. Kung may question kayo, so feel free to comment your question.